Hello everyone, this is Dr. Buchi with the Advanced MP. Today, I want to break down one of the most tested pharmacological concepts on the PMHNP exam. And I'm going to make it very simple for you. That concept is half-life. Now, let's not overcomplicate this. Half-life in simple language simply means how long it takes for half of a medication to leave your body. That's it. So let's use an example. Imagine you have 100% of a medication in your body. After one half-life, you will have 50% left. After another half-life, you would have 25% of the medication left. Then you're going to have 12.5% and then 6. And after about 5 half-lives, the drug is almost completely gone. So here is the part students miss. And that is exactly how the exam tests you. It's not about memorizing the definition. It is about understanding what this means clinically. So here's your exam rule. It takes about 4 to 5 half-lives for a medication to fully stabilize in the body, and about 5 half-lives for it to be mostly cleared. So if a medication has 24-hour half-life, it will take about 4 to 5 days to fully build up in the system, to get to a level. So now let's connect this to psychiatry. Think about fluoxetine, also known as Prozac. Fluoxetine has a long half-life, which means it stays longer in your body. Because of that, patients are less likely to have withdrawal symptoms if they miss a dose. Now let's compare that to paroxetine, which is your Paxil. Paroxetine has a shorter half-life, so it leaves the body quickly. So that rapid drop causes withdrawal symptoms like dizziness, irritability, and flu-like symptoms when an individual misses a dose or stops taking the medication. So here's an easy way to remember this for your exam. Short half-life means fast drop and more withdrawal symptoms. Long half-life means slow drop and less withdrawal. So if you understand that, you will answer a lot of the pharmacological questions correctly. Now let me ask you a quick question. If you start a patient on an antidepressant today, should you expect full results tomorrow? Absolutely not, because you need time to reach a steady state. And you also need time for the brain to adapt to the medication. This is why we usually evaluate antidepressants over several weeks, not days. This is exactly where many students struggle, because they memorize drug names, they memorize side effects, but they don't understand how to apply the information. And the PMHNP exam is all about application. If you've been studying and still feel unsure, it's not because you're not smart enough. It's because you haven't been taught how to think through the exam. Let me help you do that. Join the Advanced MP review and let's get you across the finish line.